The Book of Salt tells us that this is the only rock we eat. It gives life and prevents decay. Let's see a few ways to use salt at home to stay protected and in harmony without any negative energy. Don't be afraid to waste a bit of salt. To harness the spiritual uses of salt, you can use any kind, but today I am using sea salt. In my opinion, the less processed the salt, the better it is because its natural properties are intact. Number 1, scanning each room. This is a simple exercise to go from superstition to intuition. What we're going to do is grab your salt and enter any room in your house. Try to feel the energy, and if it feels heavy or stale, take a pinch of salt and throw it in each corner of the room. Leave the salt there for about a week and then do the same exercise again. Notice if anything has changed in that room. If you have young children or pets, you might not want to do this. Instead, do the following. One way to stay protected from the people who come into your house or into your business, this is what you can do. Take a candle holder and fill it with salt about halfway. Place a candle and light it in plain sight, perhaps as a centerpiece on a table. All the negative energy, jealousy, envy is going to be absorbed by this salt lamp and not by you or your home. For an easy energy test, get a glass jar like this one, fill it with salt about a third of the way. Pour some vinegar on top and top it off with water. Place it on a dish and leave it in the room for about a week. It can go in a high place so that nobody will touch it, especially if you have pets or children. After 1 week, you will notice that the energy in that room becomes lighter, becomes more positive. Grab the plate and put it in the sink and let the water run out, cleaning all the salt and dissolving all those negative energies. Then wash the glass. Some people like to check the salt and vinegar to find symbols or signs of anything that was going on in the room. Another thing you can do is having a shield against negative energy. Take a small cloth bag and put a few grains of salt inside. You can also put a lot of salt if you need more protection. And carry it in your wallet, purse, in your car, or your pocket. Take it with you to stay protected everywhere you go. Next, we have a very simple circle of salt. Create the circle using salt and place any object you want to consecrate inside. I am using a tarot deck that I regularly use, so you can do it with an amulet or any tool. I light a white candle here for cleansing and a black candle for protection. I say, working smoothly with finesse, using salt, this object I bless. And I pour as much salt as I feel it needs to. And this is the moment you can use to visualize the cleansing energy, meditate, and see this process happening in real time. You can find a guided meditation for this at spellsaid.com. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel and salt away.